The English teacher.
Have you ever tried to speak English and felt like your tongue decided to take a sudden vacation? Yeah, welcome to soft palate sounds. Those sneaky little sounds that are hiding in the back of your mouth. Today, we're going deep, literally, to the back of the throat. And not because we want to, but because English made us. So stick with me, up close, and the English teacher, as we discuss the soft palate sounds for the next couple of minutes. And by the end, your pronunciation is going to be smoother than peanut butter on warm toast.
Up close and the English teacher.
So, what are soft palate or velar sounds? These are sounds that are made with the back part of your tongue touching the soft part of the roof of your mouth. And the VIP guests for today are and g, 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 and the NG combination. G, g. Of course, that sound is exaggerated. G, g. And let's meet them. And no, they don't bite. The soft palate sound in words like cat, cook, coffee, cake, cable, and park.
Up
For the
close.
K sound, the back of the tongue rises and presses firmly against the soft palate, completely blocking the airflow. You can see the back of my tongue moving up and sealing against the roof of my mouth. Air pressure builds up and behind the blockage and then suddenly releasing. Notice there's no vibration in my throat. It's voiceless. Put your hand on your throat. Nothing. Kevin cooked a crispy chicken while collecting crazy coupons. Callie quickly kicked the cold cookie across the kitchen counter. Soft palate sound g, 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 g in words like go, give, good, green, garage, and globe. G is made exactly the same place as k, back of the tongue against the soft palate. But now my vocal cords are vibrating. G, g. Watch again. Tongue up, seal, release. But this time with the voice g, 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 g. Feel your throat, and you should feel buzzing while the tongue is touching during the release. G, 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 g. Grace gave Greg a green gift from her garage. And the soft palate sound ng, ng, in words like sing, bring, long, ring, strong, morning. For the NG sound, the back of the tongue is in exactly the same position as the k and g pressed against a soft palate. But this time, we do not need to release the tongue. Instead, the air flows out through the nose. I lower the soft palate, the volume, so air can escape through the nasal cavity. You can see my volume dropping a little and the back of the tongue staying sealed. Mm, 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 mm. The sound is voiced, so the throat vibrates the whole time. Mm, mm. In the morning, I love singing long songs while my phone keeps ringing. And that's it. Soft palate sounds conquered. Follow for more tips and maybe more tongue twisters. That's if my tongue survives. Don't forget, keep practicing.